My brother. Good morning, boss. Good morning. How are you today? You know, so me get like 10 people now. I not even me get 10 people. My wife is a nurse. She works at St. John's Hospital. And my sister supervisor Casco. And me tell them about your program, brother. And them start to watch it. And my sister was so scared of going back to Jamaica. And right now you convince her. Because you see, she had tell me it's a place where she see a show. It's a 4 acre for 40,000. And she, one of her co-worker, and my wife, and them a drag me night. We want to make up and buy it. But that be corona thing, I hold back some things I know. Yeah, man. So you do a good work, my brother. Because them not stop and tell people about it and them a watch it now, you know. Because Rodney, me don't know you in person, but you may wonder, oh, me not left you out, and me go confess something to you. When me come here, so you know, brother, me them among some so-called friend, you know, man. And the man, them a walk me out, nah pay me nothing. Me can't go to Jamaica. And the first me I go know one word then called depressed. Or me about it, but first me I go experience it. Rodney, me say one morning, me I go take a train. And when the train a come, one man I said just jump in there in front of you. And one me I hold on the rail and one man I said no. And when the train come and the door open and me go in and me sit down. Me I left from Queens, we go to Brooklyn. And believe me, man, every minute it come like me want to ball out, murder me want, you know. And when the train stop and me come off of the garage, and me I tell one of my brethren, and they must say to me, say depression, you know. You know? And you know, so when I go home the evening, me go so bam, I be turn on. And lie on the TV them time, me I get it on my phone. And I see the YouTube. And I can remember the first program I see up and then there's a lady who wash some clothes, you know, here, you know. And she have a two little pig and a little chicken them. And right now, I say me two of them full of water, brother. And the program they start, it's kind of like you bring Jamaica to me right now. Me I tell you, man. So, in spite of what go on, you can testify, say you save a life. It's either you tap if I'm coming suicide or it's either you tap if I'm go crazy with that program. Then I confess that to you. So that's something where you can testify upon your program, brother. Me I tell you that, and right now, me don't think nobody did afraid of Jamaica like my big sister. And for me tell her the program and she watch it, man. It's like you're a winner over. And she tell her co-worker them about it too. Because when me come up here first, I me tell you 2001, never have no. Me have my 10-year visa and, you know, I'm bridging them encourage me to stay and things I go rare and them kind of something. And brother, after the time pass, them give me in the country. It's a different people, them just change for me, Rodney. Change for me. And my brother, me there at the shop there, I live on one of them yard and them have a body workshop and me go there. Sometimes $200 for the week, sometimes less, sometimes none. And everybody me say I got Jamaica and tell me Jamaica nice. And for years I couldn't go there, brother. Couldn't go there. Couldn't go there, man. And so till it has stressed me out and me go and this thing and the anxiety attack and all them something there. And me say, your program, me start to watch and turp me back, brother. Me tell you that. Well, that's how it go, cause you saved my life and I made your day. Right? And that's a testimony for your program. You don't have to say my name, but you can say, you know, your program actually saved somebody from go to the mad house or the dead house. Yeah, man. Trust me, you did.
Yeah, man, the Jamaica t-shirt just come in. Jamaica Good Life just come in. Right now it's hot. Get your exclusive Jamaica Good Life shirt at jamaicagoodlife.com. It just come in hot. It's so hot right now. T-shirt I wear itself. It's hot. JamaicaGoodLife.com. Get your shirt right away. Exclusive. We'll pull it off soon. Only exclusive members for the fans. Them they will do from day one. Hot. Yes, so me I say Randy says so it's hot. Love. It's hot. It's so hot it a blow itself.